Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I wanted to share with you some of the fantastic items that I was able to pre-order from the 2018 holiday catalog. So let me set this aside and I'll show you what I got. Okay, I'm going to start with the Trick or Tweet stamp set. It is a red rubber stamp set, so it comes in clear mount or wood, and it's got these cute little animals for Halloween treats, so I couldn't resist that. The next set I wanted to share with you is the Falling for Leaves stamp set. It's photopolymer, so it's going to be quick and easy to line up and see. It also comes with a coordinating Big Shot die set, and this die set not only comes with dies that'll cut the images out, but it has some independent dies that you can use on their own for more detail, and this is going to be a lot of fun, I think, with some of our new products that are being introduced in the holiday catalog. Okay, the next set I wanted to show you is the Dashing Deer stamp set. It comes in the red rubber, so it comes in the clear mount and wood, and it also has some beautiful dies that go with these elegant images, and I think these are going to be perfect to create holiday gift items, along with the fact that Stampin' Up! Is including multiple dies for the same image to make our work real quick and easy when we're running through the Big Shot. Okay, the next item I wanted to show you is this corrugated dynamic textured embossing folder. This is one of our new type folders. It's really intense and gives you a lot of texture because it is one of our dynamic embossing folders. And have you noticed these lines here on our embossing folders? They allow you to put your cardstock in and line it up with that line so you get a nice straight textured image. And here is a piece of our crumb cake that I've run through so that you can see just how intense that embossing is. I think this is going to be fantastic to use on this fall's projects since it's going to give us tons of texture. Okay, on to some of our accessories. Here is some Tranquil Tide velvet ribbon, and if you've seen the rich razzleberry ribbon that we have in the annual catalog, that's so rich and beautiful, you're going to love this also. And it comes in the Tranquil Tide. And I couldn't resist the shimmer ribbon. It is double-sided. One side is Mary Merlot, and the other side has this beautiful copper sheen. And speaking of copper, we have got this new shimmer paint. It comes in 4 colors. This one happens to be the copper, and this one happens to be the frosted white. So you'll want to make sure to check out those in our holiday catalog. Okay, the next thing I've got here are these baker's boxes. These measure 4 by 4, and they've got this fun window in them, so I think they're going to be a lot of fun for holiday gift giving, and I can't wait to include this with one of my projects in my gift giving class this fall. And here's a fun little tool that is being introduced in our holiday catalog. This little box hides something fantastic. This is our Take Your Pick tool. It's going to come with a flat blade here and a refill with putty in it so that you can pick up those small items along with 2 styluses for scoring. So that's going to be a handy tool to have, and I know you're going to want one too. And now moving on to our cardstock packs and specialty papers. We've got this beautiful Joyous Noel glimmer paper. It contains 3 different colors, and this is going to be a lot of fun to work with for both fall and for Christmas. And we've got some really fun designer series paper for this holiday catalog. We've got Toil and Trouble, which has some wonderful images, along with fun patterns that are universal. And then we've got this Santa's Workshop, and don't you love this little border with these cute little figures? Easy to punch out and use on your projects. We have the Joyous Noel, which I just love. It goes with that glimmer paper I just showed you and is rich and beautiful. And if you like classic prints, our Festive Farmhouse is going to fit the bill. And then there's this beautiful paper that's pearlized. It's frosted floral, and this is going to be wonderful to use all through the winter for all kinds of projects. If you like photography type style paper, this pack has got both photo images and classic Stampin' Up! Images and is going to be perfect for those holiday projects. Dashing Along is filled with basic holiday designs that will be that will be wonderful to use with that stamp set and framelit set that I showed you. And then we have this beautiful Country Lane designer series paper that goes perfectly with our suite of products in the holiday catalog. I hope you enjoyed my sneak peek of my pre-order items from the holiday catalog. The holiday catalog for 2018 will be going live on September 5th. If you don't already have a local demonstrator and you would like a holiday catalog, feel free to email me your name, address, and phone number, and I'll be happy to mail one to you. Thanks for joining me.